Quit. Daisy, quit. You okay? You alright? You okay? Hey, 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 hey. Don't do that. Don't do that. You're okay. You're okay. You're alright. You're okay. You okay? Okay, you want to go outside? You want to go outside? Do you like to? Huh? Or you relax? Y'all done with that little seizure thing? Huh? You all done? Here. No, you don't eat my thing. Okay, y'all done? Daisy? Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Y'all done? You want me to dry your hair in the front because I washed it and tried to get the humidity thing going? Just turn your ears over. Let's get that hair out of your eyes. Get that hair out of your eyes. Daisy. Doggy. Yeah. Huh. I need to trim those hairs right there. Those make a difference? I don't think so. I don't think so, huh? What do you think, Daisy? You all set? You want to go outside? Would you do outside and go potty? Huh? Now you're all rested. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. I got those wet, and that's why it's like that. Your eyes feel better now that I got some of that stuff out of there. Yeah, I trimmed them up a little bit so your hair, the hair wasn't in them as much. You're so good. You can see your eyes because you're so relaxed. Are they sleeping? Are they sleeping? Are they moving? I don't know. Guess you're done.